Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by identifying your current GPU model and power supply wattage before buying. Confirm the new card fits your case and matches your motherboard slot type. Verify the required power connectors and ensure your PSU can supply the needed watts. Measure clearance for a 2, 5, or 3, 5-inch bracket and check airflow around the card. Download the latest drivers for your new GPU from the manufacturer before you open your case. Back up important files and create a system restore point just in case. Power down your PC and unplug it from the wall before starting work. Ground yourself with an anti-static strap or by touching metal on the case. Open the case and remove the side panel to expose the motherboard and expansion slots. Unscrew the old GPU from the bracket and gently release the PCIe latch to remove it. Align the new GPU with the PCIe slot and press it firmly until it clicks into place. Secure the bracket screws and attach the appropriate power cables from your PSU. Boot your PC after installing the new GPU and connect your display to the correct port. Install the downloaded drivers and follow on-screen prompts, then restart the system to apply changes. Open the manufacturer control panel and check for firmware updates and recommended settings. Set power and performance profiles for your intended use and enable features like G-Sync or FreeSync if supported. Run a stress test and monitor temperatures, voltages, and fan speeds to confirm stable operation and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.